Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products with expert insight and honest opinions. If you're looking to brighten your smile for an upcoming event or just want to enhance your daily care routine, you've probably come across Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Plus LED Light. In this review, we'll explore whether this kit really lives up to its claims of professional level whitening and ease of use. Let's start with what you get in the box. The Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Kit includes 20 treatments, with one upper and one lower strip for each session, plus an LED light to accelerate the whitening process. It's designed to deliver a noticeable difference in your smile, with results that promise to whiten your teeth up to 34 shades. Sounds impressive, right? Now, the key component of these strips is the whitening agent, hydrogen peroxide. Crest uses a high concentration of hydrogen peroxide, which is the same active ingredient dentists use for in-office whitening treatments. This makes the strips more effective at tackling stains, whether they're from coffee, tea, or the occasional glass of red wine. The hydrogen peroxide works by breaking down surface stains and lifting them away, revealing a brighter, whiter smile. One of the standout features of the Crest 3D Whitestrips is the advanced seal technology. You may have used teeth whitening strips before and struggled with them slipping around. Not with these. The no-slip grip ensures that the strips stay put for the entire 30-minute application time. So you can actually talk, drink water, or even go about your business while whitening your teeth. It's a game changer for anyone who has struggled with the typical slippage of other whitening strips. I've personally tested this kit, and I'll tell you, the strips are pretty easy to use. The LED light, which you use in conjunction with the strips, gives a subtle extra boost to the whitening process. The light turns on once you apply the strips, and it's designed to help activate the peroxide, so the whitening happens faster. In terms of the feel, the strips are comfortable, and I didn't experience any irritation during the treatment, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive teeth or gums. The whitening effect is noticeable after just a few sessions. And while the results aren't quite as dramatic as a professional treatment at the dentist, they come pretty close, especially when you consider the cost and convenience of doing it at home. The only downside I encountered was the price. While it's not an astronomical cost, this kit may be on the higher end compared to other at-home whitening products, especially if you're just looking for a quick touch-up. But if you're looking for something that delivers professional-level results in the comfort of your own home, the investment may be worth it. Now let's talk about value for money. The kit includes 20 treatments, so if you're using it once a week, that gives you 5 weeks of whitening. The LED light is reusable, which adds long-term value to the kit. The whitening results are definitely worth the price, particularly when compared to the cost of professional treatments at the dentist. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other whitening strips available at a lower price point, but they might not come with the same concentration of hydrogen peroxide or the added benefit of the LED light. For budget-conscious users, options like the Sensodyne whitening strips or even some drugstore brands might be worth considering, but they won't give you the same professional-level results. The build quality of the strips themselves is solid. Each strip is well-constructed, and the packaging is sturdy, so you don't have to worry about them being damaged during shipping. The LED light feels well made too, and is compact enough to store easily. Crest is also a reputable brand, and they have great customer service if you ever need support or have questions about the product. If you're concerned about sensitivity or want to ask for specific advice, their team is responsive and helpful. In terms of longevity, the strips should last you a good while, and their efficacy doesn't decrease over time as long as they're stored properly. Be mindful of the expiration date though. Like most beauty products, these strips won't be as effective after a certain period. So, would I recommend the Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects LED light? Absolutely. If you want a brighter smile without the hassle of a dentist appointment, this kit delivers professional results, is easy to use, and doesn't take up too much of your time. It's ideal for special occasions like weddings, or if you just want to keep your smile looking fresh. If you're thinking of trying this out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss future reviews like this one. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this kit, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.